Peace and love. Sending you out positive energy and high vibes. Today I'm going to be speaking about the significance of the ibis bird. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. You hit the like button and you leave me any comments or questions in my description below. Now, when we think of the ibis bird, we think of the god known to be Dahuti, Tahuti, Thoth, or Hermes. Same person, worship in different names. Okay, I always call the birds Dahuti birds. They are beautiful. They are white. They have very long beaks, and it was said that the beaks was used to kill off harmful snails so people could go into the rivers and swim. It also was said that the beaks were used as ink pens, okay, because Dahuti, he was known to be the god of wisdom, knowledge, astrology, math. He wrote out the deeds for the netters. So he actually wrote out the holy birth of a Set, okay? And this is the universal mother. And he let her know that she will conceive, okay? So, very powerful God. Also, he wrote the 7 hermetic principles, okay? And the 7 hermetic principles, I have it on my page. I'll post them in my comments below. They are symbolic to spiritual discernment, showing us which way to go in the universe to tap into our soul evolution and to vibrate on a high frequency of love. So, they are native in the southern hemisphere, okay? But they said to be there in the south and also north. So as I raise my level of consciousness, you hear the birds in the background. As I raise my level of consciousness, I started to tap into the spirit animals. And once I started traveling, getting outside my comfort zone, traveling more in the south, I started to see them. In Alabama, they just like all over. Very beautiful. Also in New Orleans, okay? So, as I was tapping into a higher level of learning, I actually experienced the Dahuti bird giving me a bow, okay? I was speaking about doing a video, producing content, and I was speaking about how in Kemetic spirituality that the deceased showed us after death there's always life, okay? So they did a powerful ritual in Kemet, and the deceased transformed into the birds and communicated to the netters and the healers of Kemet, okay? So when we see spirit animals, this is a message from the divine, because we are all connected as one. We're connected with the animal kingdom. We're connected with the plant kingdom. We're connected with nature. We're connected with all living beings and all living things. 4:04 on the clock. So, when you see the Dahuti bird, just know that this is a sign that you're in the right place at the right time. You could be receiving downloads from the ancient ancestors of higher knowledge. It's always great, no matter where we are in life. It is an ongoing learning experience. We could never not learn anything. It's so much knowledge in the universe. And when we think of Dahuti, we think of a higher level of knowledge and consciousness, because that's what he represented, okay? We also think of divine protection, guidance, and love. When we think of white, because the Dahuti bird is a very beautiful color, white, has an orange beak, and it just shows us clarity, purification. And when I see white, I think of powerful ceremonies and rituals. Okay, I think of the high priest as well. And I always let you all know what was resonating with me at the time of seeing my spirit animals. Okay, and when it do, it just helps us to go out through our journey with more enlightenment, perceiving a higher level of consciousness, and knowing once we see the birds, what are they telling us? So it's also symbolic to being mystical, being magical, higher level of learning and consciousness, take on new trades, take on new creative ideas, also expand the level of knowledge. Okay, we can continue to learn always. Okay, purification. Okay, immortal, high level of intellect as well. Okay, so everything that you're doing is right. Okay, you are on the right path, doing the right things. You are being guided, you are being protected. You also are receiving higher downloads from the ancestors of higher learning. Okay, new things that you have never knew about, but you're going to know. You're just going to be browsing on YouTube, and then boom, it's going to be some knowledge on there for you, and it's going to be sent for the ancestors, so you will be able to enhance your consciousness level. Okay, embody the knowledge that you learn. Okay, and then as you learn the knowledge, express it outwards to help others heal, to help others learn, to help others elevate, and to be an inspiration to the collective consciousness. Okay, so this is a beautiful energy of the Dahuti birds. Okay, and always be mindful that there's a higher power higher than us, but also is connected to us, and they are sending us messages all the time. We just have to tap into a higher level of consciousness, tap into our intuition, go inside that darkness, and open up our eyes and see what is the messages that they are sending in the universe, because they're all over. They're seen through birds, spirit animals, even cars, spiritual beings, even body movement in our body. We just have to tap in. So I'm sending you all positive energy and great vibes, and I'll be back with more peace and love.